Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Programming CSIT. Today I'm going to tell you some tips about public speaking skills. Effective public speaking skills can help with career advancement as they indicate creativity, critical thinking, leadership abilities and so much more. So here are the tips. Number 1. Know your audience. Preparation breeds confidence. The way you present your points in speaking to a large extent should be determined by your audience. Before outlining your speech, ask yourself what your audience wants to hear. Number 2. Utilize a visual aid. In more formal speaking situations, public speakers often use visual aids to help give a more effective presentation. For example, highlighting your key points in a PowerPoint slideshow is a great way to help your audience remember those points. Number 3. Practice, practice, practice. Nobody becomes an expert on their first try. So, the more you practice public speaking, the easier it becomes. Whenever you are presented with an opportunity to speak in front of others, jump on it. While rehearsing alone isn't as useful as practicing publicly, it still helps you become more comfortable and accustomed to your abilities. Number 4. Watch yourself on camera and write down the things you like. No one is an expert on their first try, so the more you practice public speaking, the easier it will become. Whenever you are given the opportunity to speak in front of other people, do it. Last but not the least, number 5. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparisons can be very destructive in the process of building your confidence. Learn what you can from others and move on. Don't waste your time and energy constantly measuring and comparing yourself to others. Now, here are some extra tips. Number 1. Master the material to be presented. Master the most important things before giving the material. Number 2. Use body language to be more relaxed when talking. Thank you for watching. All the best.